Welcome back to Mellow McCart. My name is Mickey. So this is my unboxing of a bunch of oil paints that I got, and also kind of the last straw of like having my studio in my room. I was growing out of my room. I literally had like bed and studio. So I needed to make some new space, and I have this space in the basement that is a finished garage that I never use. I just keep all of my junk in here. And I needed to have the incentive to fix it up, and I literally did that. I took everything out, and my son helped me and just rehauled it, and now it's a studio, and you'll see some of that later in this very short little video. I'm showing these paints because I've really felt the draw to create more oils. It was my first love, and 15 years ago that's all I did was oil, and I was very frustrated with my process because I needed the experience. So now that I have a little bit more experience, I've gotten back to it, and there was a great sale on Dick Blick art supplies for a range from anywhere from $2 to $4 for each of these tubes. The Permalbo is being discontinued there. So, and just like with any paint, I have to swatch them out, and I'm one of those people who has to see them visually. And those beautiful panels that I bought, I had to prime them all, and I primed them with a Charbon acrylic burnt sienna. So here's all the ones I got. I got one Michael Harding, and usually I try to grab one with every order that I do because they're so expensive, but they're very highly pigmented, so I like to grab one. So here they all are, and it really wasn't that much money. They were being from like anywhere from like $2 to $4 each. And here is my beginner swatch posters, and this was done on Write in the Rain paper. Write in the Rain paper is paper that's waterproof. I have a video on that. So here I actually even put each color taped to the end of my tubes. And here's the full chart that I made, and a couple paintings that I did with these paints. So here's the basement space that I cleared out. My son and I helped me clear it out, and there's even a bathroom, so it's really cool to have like a bathroom. I never use that bathroom, but now I do. So here's things placed in kind of haphazardly. It's going to, change a little bit. So there's the oils, and there's my big frame. Anything behind that easel is like my mower and bicycles and things. But I'm so happy that with this new space, I'm really enjoying it and creating a lot, just because down here I have my little special space. So thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.